Hello friends, in today's session I am going to introduce you the Spanish tragedy. This session is on the demand of one of my subscribers. The Spanish tragedy is one of the highly celebrated tragedies in English literature. It was written by Thomas Kyd, one of the university wits. The date of the play's composition is not known. However, it was written between 1582 to 1592. The play tells a tale of Hieronymo's revenge on Lorenzo and Isidore. Hieronymo is, of course, the most important character in the play. Other important characters include Horatio, Bellampria, Lorenzo, and Balthazar. There are many more, but the play revolves around the aforementioned characters. The setting of the play is Spain. However, occasionally it shifts to Portugal too. The Spanish tragedy is often mentioned as a trend setting play. It set a trend for English stage to write down plays on theme of revenge. Very soon, this sort of the play bloomed very well in Elizabethan period in English literature. With this brief introduction, let us jump to our topic, MCQs on Spanish tragedy. Number 1. Which of the following is true to the Spanish tragedy? Options are A. It is a play by Thomas Kyd. B. It is a revenge tragedy. C. It follows the Senecan model of tragedy. D. All these are true. Correct option is D. All these are true. Number 2. Identify from the following the subtitle of Kyd's The Spanish Tragedy. Options are A. Hieronymo is mad again. B. A revenge of Hieronymo. C. Don Andrea is avenged. D. Bell's stratagem. Correct option is A. Hieronymo is mad again. Number 3. Which of the following is true to Don Andrea? Options are A. Andrea with revenge serves the chorus in the play. B. He is slain by Balthazar in a recent action. C. Bellampria, the king's niece, is his beloved. D. All these are true. Correct option is D. All these are true. Number 4. The Spanish tragedy opens datus. Options are A. On the battlefield. B. In the street of Spain. C. In the court of the Viceroy of Portugal. D. In the court of the Spanish king. Correct option is D. In the court of the Spanish king. Number 5. Which of the following is true to Balthazar? Options are A. He is the Prince of Portugal. B. He is presented at the outset as a captive. C. He participates with Lorenzo in murder of Horatio. D. All these are true. Correct option is D. All these are true. Number 6. Spain has lost dash soldiers in recent action with Portugal. Options are A. 100. B. 300. C. 500. D. 3000. Correct option is B. 300. Number 7. Who of the following is rewarded with Balthazar's ransom for his bravery in the Spanish tragedy? Options are A. Don Andrea. B. Don Pedro. C. Don Horatio. D. Lorenzo. Correct option is C. Don Horatio. Number 8. Which of the following is true to Horatio? Options are A. He is son of Hieronymo, the Knight Marshal of Spain. B. He is Belimpria's second lover. C. He is murdered by Lorenzo and Balthazar. D. All these are true. Correct option is D. All these are true. Number 9. Which of the following is true to Vilupo, the character in the Spanish tragedy? Options are A. He is a nobleman in the viceroy's court. B. He betrays Alejandro, his colleague. C. He is punished for his betrayal later on. D. All these are true. Correct option is D. All these are true. Number 10. Which of the following is true to Alejandro? Options are A. He is a nobleman of Viceroy of Portugal. B. Vilupo betrays him. C. In the very nook of time his life is saved. D. All these are true. Correct option is D. All these are true. Number 11. As a reminder of friendship of Andrea, Horatio keeps his dastas with him. Options are A. Scarf. B. Hand gloves. C. Chain. D. Spear. Correct option is A. Scarf. Number 12. Horatio and Belumpria take an oath of mutual friendship in dastas. Options are A. The St. Luigi Park. B. The Temple of Diana. C. Hieronymus Bower. D. Elsewhere. Correct option is C. Hieronymus Bower. Number 13. Who of the following speaks the line given below? O life, no life, but lively fountain of death. O world, no world, but mass of public wrongs, confused and filled with murder and misery. Options are A. Hieronymo. B. Isabella. C. Belumpria. D. Viceroy of Portugal. Correct option is A. Hieronymo. Number 14. Lorenzo suspects Dastas for exposition of Horatio's murder to Hieronymo. Options are A. Sir Brian. B. Padringano. C. Basalto. D. Christopher. Correct option is A. Sir Brian. Number 15. Sir Brian is shot dead by Padringano in Dastas. Options are A. The San Luigi's Park. B. The Royal Garden. C. Hieronymus Bower. D. Elsewhere. Correct option is A. The San Luigi's Park. Number 16. Who of the following acts as the judge in the murder case of Sir Brian? Options are A. Hieronymo. B. Don Cyprian. C. Don Pedro. D. Basalto. Correct option is A. Hieronymo. Number 17. Belumpria's secret relation with Horatio is revealed to Lorenzo by Dastas. Options are A. Padringano. B. Sir Brian. C. Christopher. D. Basalto. Correct option is A. Padringano. Number 18. Which of the following is true to Padringano? Options are A. He is an attendant of Belumpria. B. He exposes Belumpria's relation with Horatio to Lorenzo. C. He, as directed by Lorenzo, shoots Sir Brian. D. All these are true. Correct option is D. All these are true. Number 19. Which of the following is true to Isabella? Options are A. C is Hieronymo's wife. B. C goes mad in the play. C at last commits suicide. D, all these are true. Correct option is D, all these are true. Number 20. Who of the following exposes the murderers of Horatio to Hieronymus? Options are A, Isabella, B, Belampriya, C, Perseda, D, Sir Brian. Correct option is B, Belampriya. Number 21. Which of the following is true to Sir Brian? Options are A, he is a servant of Balthazar, B, Lorenzo suspects him, C, he is shot dead by Pedringano, D, all these are true. Correct option is D, all these are true. Number 22. Which of the following is true to the Soliman and Perseda? Options are A, it is a play within play, B, it is written by Hieronymus, C, during its performance Hieronymus takes his revenge, D, all these are true. Correct option is D, all these are true. Number 23. Identify from the following the father of Belampriya. Options are A, King of Spain, B, Don Cyprian, C, Don Pedro, D, Sir Brian. Correct option is B, Don Cyprian. Number 24. Which of the following is true to Sir Brian? Options are A, he is the servant of Balthazar, B, he is shot dead by Pedringano, C, Lorenzo suspects him, D, all these are true. Correct option is D, all these are true. Number 25. Which of the following proves for Hieronymus an ocular proof of participation of Lorenzo in Horacio's murder? Options are A, Belampriya's letter, B, Belampriya's confinement by her brother, C, the letter he finds with dead body of Pedringano, D, none of these. Correct option is C, the letter he finds with the dead body of Pedringano. Number 26. For the entertainment of Viceroy of Portugal, Hieronymus arranges dash. Options are A, show of the 3 English knights, B, show of puppets, C, the presentation of Soliman and Perseda, D, none of these. Correct option is C, the presentation of Soliman and Perseda. Number 27. Who of the following plays the role of Soliman, the Turkish emperor, in Hieronymus' play Soliman and Perseda? Options are A, Hieronymus, B, Lorenzo, C, Balthazar, D, none of these. Correct option is C, Balthazar. Number 28. Who of the following plays the role of Erastus, the Knight of Rhodes, in Soliman and Perseda? Options are A, Lorenzo, B, Hieronymus, C, Balthazar, D, Don Pedro. Correct option is A, Lorenzo. Number 29. In Hieronymus' play Soliman and Perseda, the role of Perseda is played by dash. Options are A, Isabella, B, Diana, C, Belampriya, D, Proserpine. Correct option is C, Belampriya. Number 30. Hieronymus plays the role of dash in Soliman and Perseda. Options are A, Knight of Rhodes, B, Turkish emperor, C, murderer, D, none of these. Correct option is C, murderer. Number 31. Hieronymus kills dash during the performance of Soliman and Perseda. Options are A, Balthazar, B, Bellum Priya, C. Lorenzo, D. None of them. Correct option is C. Lorenzo. Number 32. Hieronymo had studied in dash. Options are A. Toledo, B. Barcelona, C. Madrid, D. Elsewhere. Correct option is A. Toledo. Number 33. There are dash acts in Thomas Kyd's The Spanish Tragedy in all. Options are A. 2, B. 3, C. 4, D. 5. Correct option is C. 4. Number 34. Who of the following considered Hieronymo a villain? Options are A. Fredson Bowers, B. Peter Moody, C. Walter Pater, D. None of these. Correct option is A. Fredson Bowers.